Okay, so now that we have a project created and we also have a sequence, we're ready to import our files. And the first way I'm going to show you to import a file is, of course, you can go into File, Import. You can use the Control I, or the way I typically do it oftentimes is to just right click and import. Last but not least, you can always do it through using Adobe Bridge, and that's a pretty good way of doing it as well. We're going to demonstrate that since it's not so typical. Okay, so once you got Bridge up, then you can just simply navigate to wherever you have your files stored. Okay, and once your files come up, one of the cool things about Adobe Bridge is you're able to kind of scrub through the file to see what's going on within the video. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead on and select the files I want to bring into my project. And we can just drag them in. See that little plus? Just let them go, and we're good to go. Now that I have my basically my video files into my project, I'm also going to bring in a audio file that I'd like to use. And let's see, there we go. Malcolm McLaren, world famous, old school. All right, so those are my files. Now, once you get them into the source window, there's two options. You can have list view, which you see now, or you can have the icon view. And also, in this case, you'll be able to kind of scrub through it so that you can kind of pick up where you are in the video and before you choose to input it. So, I mean, if you're doing that, you can just select the point where you think, okay, this is where I want to start this video or close to it, and just double click, and we'll start in the source preview window right there. All right, so that's just a real quick on the importing of video, just an overview. You can right click, import. You can use the Adobe Bridge, and also you can go to your file menu and import, or Control I. In the next video, we're going to start showing you how to cut your and edit your clips, enter them into your timeline, and then run your preview.